I'm going to be going over these multi-step equations that I did a video of 1 through 4. So you can watch the video of 1 through 4 to help you work through them. On this one, it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we'll start with number 5. And I'll work through it and you can see how you did. 5 is interesting because it starts out with a negative 21. So I have that number, I have a negative 5x, I have a plus 8x, and a 36. I'm going to go to like terms. And my like terms would be this negative 5x and plus 8x. And when I put those together, if I have a positive 8 and a negative 5, I'm going to end up with a positive 3x. And then I'm going to bring my negative 21 down and my 36. I want to get rid of this negative 21. And the way I get rid of it, I do the opposite. So instead of negative 21, I'm going to add 21. And I have to do that to the same thing to both sides. So negative 21 plus 21 is 0. And then I bring my 3x down equals 36 plus 21 is 57. And then I just got to get rid of this 3. So I'm going to divide it by 3 because 3 times x, I do the opposite, so I do 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and so I just have an x there. And 57 divided by 3, oops, that should be a 7, is 1, 3, 27, and 9. And that comes out to be 0. So 19 is my answer there. So x, the variable, equals 19. All right, let's go over to number 6. Let's see what I got here. Okay, so I have 7x. Oopsie. There we go, 7x. I have negative 2x, negative 75, and 50, which is a positive 50. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to do my like variables, 7x and negative 2x. When I put those together, I get 5x minus 75 equals 50. I want to get rid of this variable this number right here. So I can just have my 5x. So it's minus 75, so I'm going to add 75 to that, add 75 to this side, and I get 5x. That becomes 0, and it's equal to 125. Then I'm going to get rid of this 5. So it's 5 times x. So what I'm going to do is 5 divided by 5 and 125 divided by 5. Well, 5 divided by 5 is 1, so it leaves me with just x. And 125, I divide it by 5. 5 goes into 12 2 times. Okay, and that is 25. And then 5 goes into 25 5 times. 25. And that's 0, so my answer for this one is 25. And x equals 25. If I would put it in here, 25, 25, I could multiply those out. Minus 75. That minus 2 times 25, and then minus 75 would get me down to 50. Okay. 2 more to go, 7 and 8. All right, let's look at 7. I have negative 11, negative 9x, plus 11x, and 13. I'm going to put my x's together. I have a negative 9x and an 11x. So if I put those together, I'm going to end up with 2x minus 11, and if it's 2x, it's a positive, equals 13. Now I'm going to get rid of this 11, and I better plus 11 because it's negative. I do the opposite. Plus 11 on this other side. Negative 11 plus 11 is 0. So I just have my 2x here equals 13 plus 11 is 24. I want to get rid of this 2, so I divide it by 2. And I do the same thing on the other side. So 2 divided by 2 leaves me with just x equals 12. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And so my answer is x equals 12. Last one. All right, so we have a positive 6x, a negative 70, a negative x, and a 75. Okay, if I have 6x's here, and I have a minus 1x here, I put those together, I get 5x. Minus 70 equals 75. Now, I want to get rid of this 70, and it's minus 70, so I'm going to do the opposite, plus 70. If I do it on one side, I got to do it on the other side. Keep it equal. 5x minus 70 plus 70 is nothing, equals 70 plus 75, which is 145. Now I want to get rid of this 5, so I'm going to divide it by 5 and divide that by 5. That gives me x equals, let's do 145 divided by 5, goes in there 2 times, almost 3. And then you bring that down, and that's 4. Okay, bring my 5. 5 times 9 is 45. And that gives me 0, so my answer is 29. X equals 29. Alright, hopefully that helps. And the video showed you the first 4 of them. And then this is how you do the last 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have any questions, let me know. And we'll keep working at algebra.